Software Spring. Presence. How to use large in Google Sheets. Hello everyone. Greetings. Welcome to the tutorial on the large function. Here's an introduction to large. Large returns the nth largest element in a range or array. Using large, you can get the largest element, second largest element, or the nth largest element. Here are some scenarios for which the large function may be a good fit. Get the top 3 sales revenues of a store. Get the top 5 scores of a cricket match. Get the first, third, fifth largest TV screen size. Moving forward, here is the format of the large function. Here is an example. Data is the range, or array, from which you want to get the nth element. N is the number that specifies which of the largest elements to get from the range, or array. This example returns the third largest element. Let's work on an example, and here is its objective. To get the top 3 sales revenues of store 1. This table gives the sales revenues from different categories of the stores. I will create another table to store the data returned by the large function. Alright, let's type the large formula. First, type equal to LA. Select large from the menu. For the range, click this cell, and shift-click this cell. Type comma. For N, type 1, because we want to get the largest revenue of store 1. Press enter. OK, large has returned the largest value of store 1. Now, let's copy the formula to this cell. Let's take a look at the formula to find out the changes we need to make to get the second largest revenue. There are 2 issues. First is that the range should have been this, but has changed to this because the address is relative. To fix this, we have to use an absolute address. We will go back to the formula in this cell and make the address absolute. Click before the letter B. Press F4. The dollar signs indicate that the address is absolute. Let's copy the formula to this cell again. The second issue is that the value of N in this formula is 1. We've to change this to 2, because we want to get the second largest value. So, let's go ahead and make the change. OK. Here's the second largest revenue. To get the third largest revenue, simply copy the formula to this cell, and change the value of N to 3, and press enter. There you go, large has returned the third largest revenue. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.